Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. This one is real exciting to me, so we are not going to waste any time. We are just going to dive on in. Just remember that the links to everything is in the description box below if you would like to apply to these jobs. Today's job lead is from the big luxury retailer Rent the Runway. If you've not heard of them, they have a website where you can literally rent clothes that are designer brands like Louis Vuitton and Gucci, and if you have a special event that you need to go to, you can literally wear designer clothes and look like you are on the red carpet runway without having to spend a lot of money to actually purchase those things. They also sell things at a discounted price for these luxury brands, and some TJ Maxx's, including one in Beverly Hills, California, actually sell some of the Rent the Runway stuff for them. But they are hiring a part-time remote work from home customer experience associate. Now, this is for my United States folks only, and they do hire in select states. So before we get into the details, let me just go ahead and get the states out of the way. They are hiring in Massachusetts, Colorado, Washington, Oregon, Texas, Illinois, Arizona, Florida, Virginia, Tennessee, and Kansas. So if this is one of the states that you live in, they are looking for someone to do customer service, acting as a subject matter expert, delivering empathetic, detail-oriented solutions to their customers. This is a part-time role. They are offering 20 hours a week, and they are hiring for different shifts. So all the different shifts that they are hiring for is listed, but it looks like Monday through Friday they have different shift options. One is 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. One is an afternoon shift from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and one is a later afternoon shift, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. And then there is an afternoon evening shift of 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. And then if you want to work the weekends, they have shifts for that as well. Now, it does say all new hires have to attend a 3-week virtual training. That training is Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll have to make sure that you are available for 3 weeks to attend that training. Now, they do start out at $16 an hour for most states. Tennessee and Kansas, it looks like, are $14.50 an hour. And the customer service you'll be delivering is through live chat, phone, and email, so all different mediums. They are looking for someone who's 2 years experience working in customer service, someone who is a problem solver and can work quickly, a great communicator, and someone who can be empathetic to customers. Now, it does say that you have to have your own high-speed internet provided by cable or fiber provider, and they provide the laptop and headset for you. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.